Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a fog machine. We're gonna give this thing a try. I got myself a little bit of fog juice, not a ton, but we're gonna give this thing a shot and see how much fog we can get out of this fog machine. Pretty good. I might have to go buy some more fog juice. Let's see. Here we go. Comes with a little light, or not a light, a remote. A remote for the lights and for the, I'm hoping it's for the juicer as well. Here's a little handle. We have the instructions for the remote and the specifications for the fog juice. But here, it's a little windy. Pull everything as I go. There's the unit. Here is another remote control and another plug for it. So let's check this all out, see how it works. So this is gonna plug in just a 3-prong plug, which I have an outlet over here. Let me go. Okay, we're gonna add power. Okay, we have our, this is the transformer here. Now what is that? Oh, it gets some sort of, oh, is it a sword? Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. Here's the remote control to make it go, I guess. Let's see, how's it work? Oh. Slides down, and there's the little buttons. It's not like a lock and unlock. And then here's the unit. So let's put this thing together here. I guess we can put it like this, and we can hang it from somewhere, but I'm just putting it on the ground. Maybe I'll put it this way so it'll kind of aim up. Or can you even? I wonder if it has to be level. I'll try it without the hook for right now. So we'll open it up. It has the little spout to suck the juice. Pour some juice in. There we go. Doesn't take much juice to fill up a little container. Okay, so we'll plug this in here. This is manual control. And then we'll plug in the outlet, the wire for it, which will go over here. Okay, so we have an LED, and we have auto fog, and we have fog. So there's off, and there's on. LEDs on. It does, ooh, that shines up pretty nice. So I'm gonna turn the LEDs off for now. I'm gonna turn the auto fog off too. And I'm just gonna hook up this little handle to it. I'll aim you guys down here so you can see what I'm doing. Very cool. Our wire is very short. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so let's check out our instructions now. So here are the instructions with the sticker all over the hand. So it says fill the fog juice, which we did. How to use, we have to make sure there's enough fluid, and it is, and we have that in there. Plug in the power and wireless receiver. I guess this is going to be our wireless receiver here. And then the LED lights can be activated once the fog machine is preheated successfully. Oh, so it should be heating right now. So let's turn it on. Okay, I figured it out. So the buttons are these here. So the unlock button is the fog one. The remote for the lights changes the light colors. But if I push this one here, it starts shooting out some fog, a whole lot of fog. And then I can push this one to kind of stop it. Woof, man, it's a lot of fog. So, and it totally works good. Look at all this fog here. We did a great job. Looks like the place is on fire. So I'm gonna say this is a super awesome thumbs up from me. And it's the LED 500 on that one there. And got lots of fog, worked great. I'm gonna try it again at night.
Oh, basil. Weird.